Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So all I want to ask the Jamaican man them is what the f is going on and what the f is wrong with y'all. Okay? Another girl has died. Another child has died. Another kid has died at the hands of a Jamaican stepfather. Like, it's so crazy that I'm still talking about these things. Like, the amount of children that have died today because of domestic violence issues is crazy. Okay? Crazy. And it says a St. Hughes high school student has died after suffering severe burns in an arson attack at her home in Stony Hill, St. Andrew. The deceased have been identified as Tashal Munda. Tashal and her mother suffered severe burns earlier this week when a man firebombed their home. The child and her mother, who were both inside the house at the time of the attack, were rushed to the hospital where they were admitted. Tashal subsequently succumbed to her injuries. The attacker is said to be a boyfriend of the mother, however, that has not been confirmed. And again, what the is going on with these men? Honestly, I normally don't cuss on my channel, but this is getting out of hand. This is getting crazy, and no one is bringing attention to the amount of domestic violence killings that have been happening. Not even Jamaica's prime minister have been saying anything about how ridiculous these are and what his mission is and how he's going to go about stopping these domestic violence issues that is ending. These domestic violence issues are so crazy because not only the mothers are getting killed, but also the children are getting killed, and the children are Jamaica's future. So if they're getting killed, what is going to happen to Jamaica? That's what I want somebody to tell me. Honestly, I'm so sick and tired of talking about this. Like, I gave all my solutions already. I've talked about why things like this happen. Woman, just be careful. If you live in Jamaica and you have a child or children, be careful of the men that you pick up and bring into your life and into your children's life. Whether you're in a Jamaica or not, just be careful, period. Honestly, I'm dumbfounded. Dumbfounded. So anyway, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, because obviously I don't have any. I'm up out of here, man. Deuce.
Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.